Hi everyone there, welcome to TechHawk. In this video, I am going to solve a problem which I have been facing for several days. In my Google Play Store, there are several apps waiting to be updated. When I click Update or Update All button, it starts downloading the app. But when this is nearly finished or installing, my Play Store keeps crashing. I tried it for several times, but same shit happens. Normally, clearing the data solves this kind of problem. But for me, it is still the same. So what's the problem in my phone? To inform you, here I am using OPPO Chinese version phone. I have also tried this for RealMe phones, so there was no built-in Google Play Store. I installed it manually. So I checked the version of my Google Play Store and it's 19.3.25. Okay. Then I go to Google and searched for Google Play Store latest version. I found that latest version is 22.5. So I downloaded this latest APK file and then installed it. After installation, now I am checking that Google Play Store still crashes or not during updating the apps. In my case, several apps have already completed updating and still now no crashes. So I think my problem is solved. Thanks for watching this tutorial. It solved my case and I hope this will help you to solve your problem too. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.